Let's see how you install, or remove, your Peugeot's tow bar. No tools are needed. When the green part of the knob is entirely visible, and the lever is horizontal, the tow bar is locked. When the green part of the knob is not visible, and the lever is lowered, the tow bar is not locked. Below the rear bumper, remove the protective plug from the tow bar carrier. Whilst holding the hook, press the green knob, and lower the lever. It must remain locked in this lower position. Insert the lower part of the tow bar into the carrier, with the lever lowered. It locks automatically. Make sure that the hook is correctly locked, and the green knob visible. Close the lock using the key. Remove the key, and put the cap back on the keyhole. To remove the tow bar, take off the lock cap, and open the lock using the key. With one hand, take a firm hold on the hook. With the other hand, press on the green release, and lower the lever. Pull the tow bar downwards, and then put the plug back on the carrier beneath the vehicle.